What's happening, guys? We're back. Part two. At the ROC post. It's flooded as well. That's a shame.
It's a shame.
With the Airvex Ninja.
Alright guys. Shots bruv.
Shots, bruv. Who's been in here? Oh, the secret vault. He's been in here recently.
Has he?
Yeah.
You fan, Tom?
Not really. I don't know how old this. Oh yeah. We're back, guys. We're back. Closed in 1991. The beast. With a few more explorers as well today, guys. That's the latch. Guide weight thing for the latch.
Yeah.
Then would have gone outside these handles. It's still mad, isn't it?
It is.
It's wounded that it's flooded, to be honest. This ain't going to be here for very long. Someone's left the ball. It's mad, isn't it?
It is.
Can't believe it's just flooded like this.
Now turn them on.
There's loads of snails on the walls.
Is it?
Yeah. Look behind.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's the timer, isn't it? The timer. And the water pump.
Yeah, that's what that is.
And the bog. Stand in the bog. The bog lid. Big spiders. Spiders. Spiders.
Well, I'm going to go up, mate. You can have the place to yourself there.
Yeah. Spiders. Mad.
Mad. I love mad. Hey?
Yeah, look, he's the shovel still.
Yeah, dustpan and brush.
Yeah, that was on here, wasn't it, last time?
I can't remember, mate.
Yeah, I'm sure it was. It's the vents.
People who live in Normancourt get about 4 families living in here.
Chris.
That's crap, Tom. Look. I'll feel back up now. You kid.
So that's about it in here, guys, isn't it? A little video. We came here about 8 months ago. But we thought we'd just come back and see what it's like. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can have my camera, please, Doc. Just film me coming out if you want. Just point the camera at me.
That's about it for that one, guys. Going out now.
I haven't got a clue. Tom, I think Tom will know because he saw it. He's into stuff like that.
Rock. Get back up, man. Hello, mate. Let's get back up this ladder then. Someone go and grab me camera.
Yeah, I'll grab it, mate.
There's a lot of blood there. Let's go have a look at this then.
Hey, you're selfieing yourself. Look at him here, guys. He's doing a selfie of himself climbing up.
Stop taking the piss. Piss taking bastard. Shots, bro.
Shots, bro.
That Pennywise coming out of his hole.
Thought you can say penny then. Instead of Pennywise. They all float down here.
Hey?
They all float down here, Pennywise.
Just a little dance, guys. For the,
They all float down here. We go, leaving things as we find them. No cropping lots.
sound.
There you go, mate. There's your camera. To another one, I think.
Sorted. This is the new gang. You're on YouTube now.
Fine people today.
The Ninja. It's coming sunny as well.
That's it. The next one.
We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.